Uppercase A.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin
Lowercase
Man who
a.
lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Uppercase B.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. A is for apple.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
A is for ant.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o,
B is for bat.
the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
B is for ball.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
C is for car.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o,
C is for carrot.
the dog takes the cat. The cat
Uppercase
takes the mouse.
A.
The cat
Lowercase
takes the mouse.
a. Uppercase
Hi ho
B.
the dairy-o,
Lowercase
the cat
b.
takes the mouse.
Uppercase C. Lowercase c.
The mouse takes the cheese.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.